Hi everyone, I'm Gupta. I've been a graphic designer for past 6 years, designing, branding, visualizing, and also creating ads. Today wanted to share how to create your own high impact designs, especially ads, using Canva and Nano Banana. This is perfect if you are someone who is a graphic designer or who has a personal brand or is a small business owner who doesn't want to spend money upfront for creatives and learn the skill to create their own ads. And it's not a shortcut, it's a skill. If you learn this, you are never dependent again on anyone. So, creating a highly impact ad would need inspiration, maybe from Pinterest or maybe from a competitor you are already checking out, which is working for them, whatever ads are working for them. Let me go to Pinterest and find something simple. Yep, so here are the results. We'll take something out of it. Maybe this graphic will go on Gemini. We'll paste this graphic, we'll ask for create image and add my own image to show a person over there. Now we'll give it any prompt. You don't have to be a prompt engineer for this. It's just you should know what you want and what you need to write over there. What impact you have to make on end user. So we'll write. So this is the result. Not exactly the same I was expecting, but not bad as well. At least I have a image and suit, so why not? I'll just download it. Meanwhile, I'll go to Canva and create social media a post. Got the image, put it over here. So now I'll teach you if you don't like anything in this, some text are wrong, or maybe your number is wrong, or if you want to change anything in this graphic, what you can do is go on edit, shift this to grab text. This works best on text only though. If this is not my logo or anything, I'll just select it. Now I can delete it. And same for, you can use magic eraser and erase this. And that's how you can edit all the graphic and everything. Within 2 or 5 minutes, new graphic is ready without applying any UI UX skills or knowledge. You can get something you like already. It's out there and you can use it in your graphic. That's all. I hope I helped you in any way. And if you like this video, maybe let me know. And if you have any question, I am willing to help you out. Let me know. And thank you so much. Have a great day.